Most of our bigger partners don't have the field force to do what we can do. They do the design and engineering of the solutions for their customers. And if they're multi-site rollouts across the country, globally, they don't have the technicians to go out in the field and do the work. So they reach out to us and give us the scenario of what they need. And we put together a solution for them. Wireless surveys are one of the biggest things going on right now. Everybody seems to be upgrading their wireless networks. SD-WAN rollouts are the same, putting edge devices out there. We can go just about anywhere. Of course, our forte, since we're from here, is continental US. And I think what partners really like about us a lot is we're easy to work with, and we're very fast at getting responses done and out to them. We did an opportunity, and it was actually in Canada for a retail chain, about 110 stores, of course, that all had to be done after store hours. And what it was basically upgrading their network, putting in a new router, some switches at some locations, and then new wireless everywhere where it was needed, including cabling. I really enjoy working with the people in the company specifically, and forming relationships inside the system integrators and partners that we work with. I love getting on the phone with solution architects from our partners to talk through the solution that they're doing for their partner and how we fit into it. I enjoy that a lot.